Welcome everyone to the launch of this year's HDB Community Week right here at Kampung Admiralty. The Friends of the Heartland Network was set up to partner residents to give back to the community. Since 2017, the network has grown to about 7,900 volunteers. These volunteers have reached out to more than 100,000 residents through their efforts in promoting neighborliness and eco-friendly living. And they provide ideas for community projects within their neighborhoods. Today, I'm happy to show our appreciation to some of these volunteers for their contribution. We hope to build a more vibrant community all across the island, where Singaporeans will play an even more active role in shaping our own living environment. So let's celebrate Community Week together, take an active interest in building warm friendships across our communities all over Singapore. And week after week, month after month, year after year, we strive to build a heartwarming society centered around strong and active neighborhoods.